ran across this thing called Spreadshirts. This where you could sell t-shirts online, or you can purchase, or other things. You got cups and hats and everything. Right here, I'm logged onto the website, and I'm gonna type in welding cup. I created a couple of logos, and right here you can see this welder on a cup, a crack cup. He's welding it. So this is my product. So you can purchase this by going and clicking there and edit. And you can also add text if you want. And I'm gonna just put a name on here. And I'm gonna have some links below if you would like to log on to the website or either purchase any of this stuff. So the links will be in the description. And you can size your name. And you can put more text on there if you want to. I'm gonna put CWI/CWE, Certified Welding Inspector, Certified Welding Educator. And once you do this, you can go and you can check the price. And right there you see shipping costs and everything. So you can go up here and change your quantity if you want to order one. And you can hit add to cart. And you can go through this stuff and look at all the different products. I'm gonna go to my cart, and you see it added the shipping costs, and you hit checkout. And you put your name, address, and all that other good stuff. And if you need express shipping, you can put what type of shipping arrangements you want. So I'm gonna go back to this Spreadshirt. I'm gonna type in welding egg. As you see, mine's popped up, the shirt. And what you can do, you can click on it and you can edit this however you want. You have different sizes. You have different products. These are for men's. And you click up here, hit the women, kids, accessories, cases. It's a lot of stuff. You can see I have other designs. I have those three. This is J. Harvey's Grill. This is our mobile food truck. So if you want a shirt from that, you can just click on that and you can hit edit. You can put it on the front side, the back side. You can size it how you want, but they only have a certain size they will let you adjust it to. I'm still trying to familiarize myself with this, so I'm learning as I go. And I'm just clicking through this and just showing you some different things. It shows you all the sizes. And you can arrange it. You can put it on the front or the back. You just click right here and drag it and drop it. Now it's going to be on the back side. And I'm going to put it back on front. It wouldn't let me put it on the right or left hand side. So I'm gonna go to my J. Harvey's Grill. I'm gonna order me an apron. So I can just click on it and pick what color I want. I can edit it. And I can put my name or whatever I want to on it, just like I did the cup. And it's nowhere else. You can only put it there on the front, so I can't move it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.